that they may want to, like we bought one house that had flood damage. We bought one house that had a divorce, and they couldn't afford to keep the house because they had 3 heating systems. We couldn't afford to take care of any, like none of them were working. So if there's ever a distressed homeowner or a house that they're just like, I'm done with this house, just give me somebody to get rid of it. A lot of times that's a cash purchase, and we got deep pockets, so we got
David
bigger
has
pockets. And so just
it keeps them zipped.
Yeah, I keep them zipped. Nobody's getting in it with a padlock, but I will open those pockets up for any potential opportunities where somebody just wants to get rid of their house, and we could go in, buy it, fix it up, and put in some extra little elbow grease. And then as far as regular clients, just make sure you're following